Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice Maths Olympiad algebraic challenge, and here we have n square plus 3n equals to 1 into 5 times of 0 into 4 times of 9 into 8. We have this is the 10 or 11 digits number. So here we find the value of n. So that the very first thing we are going to do is here first we move this whole number to the left hand side, and here we have n cubed plus 3n minus 1 into 5 times of 0 and 4 times of 9 into 8. So here, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now first we focus on this 11 digit number, so that we will first take this number is 1 into 50 and 4 9 into 8. So that here first we break this number into different parts, so that here first we will just separate this digit. So we write this whole digit as 1 into 0 0 0 0 into 0, and here you have 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the 5 digit number, so we write here 50, and plus we separate this part from this whole number and we write it as 999 into 8. So when you add this 999 into 8 in this number, then you will get here this whole number complete. So if you focus on this number, so you see here the decimal point will be there. So here when we move this decimal point from here to this point, or this position, then we use the technique of scientific notation, and we know that when we move decimal from left, so that we multiply this whole number by 10 raised to power. So here we move this decimal in 5 points from left, so we write it as 1 into 0 0 0 0 0 multiplied by 10 raised to power of 5, because we move this decimal from 5 digits left. If we move this decimal from 5 digits right, then we can write the exponent of 10 is negative, but here we write the exponent of 10 is positive, and we have plus 999 and 9 into 8. So when you open the fifth power of 10, then we know that it will be equals to 1 lakh, and it is 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 multiplied by this will be also becomes 1 0 0 0 0 and 0, and plus we have this number is 999 and 9 into 8. So here you see that this number will becomes the same number, so when we multiply the same number, then it will be equals to 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 and its whole square. It will become the square of this number, and we have plus 9999 into 8. So now we will just break here this number, and we write this expression as 9999 into 9 plus 1. So when you add 99,999 plus 1, then you will get here this number 1 million. So here we have plus we break this expression as 99,999 minus 1, because when you subtract 99,999 by 1, then you get here 99,998, and here you have the square of this number, so we write the square of this number. So now we can simplify, we can write this expression in simplified form, so that we will take here t equals to 99,999, so that this whole expression will becomes in this form: t plus 1 whole square plus t minus 1. So now we will use the square identity, and we can open the square of this expression, and it will be written as t square plus 2t plus 1, and plus we have t minus 1. So this negative and positive one are cancelled by each other, and we obtain here t square plus 3t. So here we take common t from these two terms, and we get t times of t plus 3. So here we have this 11 digit number will be equals to t times of t plus 3, where t equals to 99,999. So that we back substitute the value of this number into the given equation. So we call this as equation number 1, and we can substitute the value of this number in this equation. So after substituting the value of this number, it will equation number 1 will be written as, so that here we write equation number 1 implies that n cubed plus 3n minus, we have 11 digit number equals to t times of t plus 3, and this whole equals to 0. So here we make the factors of this equation, and now we can simplify this expression as n cubed plus we write this 3 as t plus 3 minus t. Here we just add and subtract t in 3 into n minus t times of t plus 3 equals to 0. So now in the next step, you see here we multiply this n in t plus 3 and t, so it will be written as t cubed plus t plus 3 into n minus t into n minus t times of t plus 3, and this whole equals to 0. So here we take common n from the first two terms. Sorry, this is our n square, so this value be the n square. So here we take common n, and we get n plus t plus 3, and here we take common you just take common t, and we get n minus, we take common minus t, and we get n plus t plus 3, and this whole equals to 0. So here you see that we have n plus t plus 3 be the common expression, and we get n minus t equals to 0. And now here we have two cases. The first case is we write n plus t plus 3 equal to 0, and the second case is we write n minus t equal to 0. And in the second case we get the value of n equals to t, and in this case we get the value of n equals to t plus 3. So here we back substitute the value of t, and you see that we have our t equals to 99,999, and we will back substitute this value here, 99,999 plus 3. So it will be equals to minus 1,000,002. And similarly here you get the value of t is 99,999. So this is the other value of n, and we have these two values of n, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.